Hi there, everybody. Another visit with the potted garden. I'm out watering at the moment. Thought I'd give you a little update of how everything's going. Looks like the pepper plants are doing great. We got some big banana peppers here on this wonderful 4th of July weekend. Got some more peppers here. Quite a few blooms on this one. And some little started. Like I said, the banana peppers, it looks like there's 2 big ones going and a 3rd started. Pick some weeds out here. Give them all a little bath. Now you gotta be careful when you're watering when it's real hot, because you don't want to shock them. And there's actually, I'm told, a fungus that your plants can get if you do, if you're not careful. And it seems that I might have an issue with this one. So we're going to kind of pull it away from the other plants just so it don't spread, just in case. And our tomato plants are doing pretty good here. And the lettuce, I'm going to give it another couple days on the lettuce, and then we'll actually cut some. Here we go. Let me walk around here. As you can see, my yard is not conducive to having a garden very much. Not very good soil. So we did the potted garden. Okay, and this is our squash. This is Buttercup, and it's got some serious blooms on it. I'm hoping it's here we go. And oh, looky here. Looky here. We got a tomato coming. A nice Roma tomato. We got blooms on the cucumbers. Oh, I'm out of water. I'll have to get some more. But this is a cucumber plant. And it is going big time all over. Now I'm thinking I might actually get a lattice board and put it up for the cucumber to crawl on. I'll do that, and it makes it easier picking too. For those of us that have a hard time with our backs and getting up and down. Potted garden also is good for that. And this is the other butternut, I do believe. Nope, this is a zucchini. This is my zucchini, and I need to water that. It's looking pretty rough today, but it's got several blooms. I just thought I'd give you an update on the potted garden. Let you see where we're at. Green peppers, habaneros, banana peppers, orange sweet peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, tomato, and squash, all coming along. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy some videos. Feel free to leave me any messages, comments, suggestions, tips. That would be great. Again, thanks for watching.